Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. In today's video, I am going to show you 7 ways to fix MacBook Not Charging problem. With these 7 methods, you can fix any kind of charging problem with your MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. After watching this video, please let me know which one of these 7 methods were helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. So with that said, let's get started. As you can see here, I have a MacBook Pro with charging problem. The problem with this MacBook is it doesn't charge properly. Whenever I plug in the charger like this, it doesn't charge. As you can see, currently my MacBook is at 57%. It doesn't go further than 57% no matter how long I charge my MacBook. So our first method is restarting your Mac. For me, restarting my MacBook always works. After restarting my MacBook, it starts charging properly. So try to restart your MacBook. If it works, great. If it doesn't, then don't worry. Just keep watching the video and I'm pretty sure one of these methods will help you fix your MacBook that doesn't charge. Our second method is troubleshooting the charger. Make sure you charge your MacBook with its original charger. And also make sure your charger is not damaged or bent up like this. If your charging cable is fine, then there might be some debris or dust in your computer's charging port, so make sure to clean it. If your computer uses MagSafe charger like this, then clean it up with a toothbrush or an eraser. So I'm just gonna clean it up with my toothbrush, and also I will clean the charging cable. If your computer uses a Type-C charger like this, then clean it up with a toothpick. Make sure you don't use anything metal. In my opinion, the best way to clean up the Type-C charger is using a toothpick. First of all, clean the charging cable. Take out any debris or dust that is stuck in your charging cable. And also clean up your MacBook's charging ports like this. This method might sound very stupid, but believe me, it works. Our next method is deleting the power log file to fix a MacBook that is not charging. In order to delete the power log file, just open up your MacBook's hard drive, go to library folder, and from here, open up preferences folder. Next, search for .plz files that contains the word power. So here's 1, here is 2, and here is 3. So delete all of them. After deleting those files, now all you have to do is restart your MacBook and see if the problem is fixed or not. Our next method is upgrading your MacBook. Sometimes older version of software can cause MacBook not charging problem. So consider upgrading your MacBook. To do that, just click on this Apple icon, click on System Preferences, click on Software Update. If a new version of Mac OS is available, then just install it into your MacBook. And I'm pretty sure most of your problem will be fixed using this method if your MacBook is running older version of operating system like mine. As you can see, mine is currently running on Mac OS Mojave. Our fifth method is checking your computer's battery health. If you are using older version of MacBook, just click on this Apple icon, select About this Mac, click on System Report, and from the left side select Power and see if your Mac's battery condition is normal or not. As you can see, mine is normal. If yours is not normal, then consider replacing your battery. If you are using newest version of MacBook, then click on Apple icon, click on About this Mac, select More Info, and from here select Battery and click on this exclamation icon next to battery health. As you can see, this MacBook's battery condition is normal and it's currently at 92%. Our sixth method is resetting the SMC. SMC stands for System Management Controller and it can help you solve issue if your MacBook is not charging. Here's how to reset the SMC. First of all, connect your Mac to its charger. After that, shut down your computer. Once your computer is fully shut down, now press and hold Ctrl, Shift and Option. After that, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. After that, just turn on your computer by pressing and holding the power button. And hopefully it will fix your MacBook that is not charging. Our seventh and last method is contacting Apple. If you already tried all the methods shown in the video and none of them work for you, then you should consider contacting Apple or take your device to a repairing shop. I recommend you to contact Apple before taking your device to a repairing shop, because most repairing shops do is they replace original parts of your device with the fake ones, and obviously you wouldn't want that, right? So that's why I recommend you to contact Apple. There's an easy way to contact Apple. Just go to Google and search Apple Live Chat and go to Apple's website and live chat with them and get a good advice. And I'm telling this with my experience. So there you have it, guys. That is how you can fix MacBook Not Charging problem using these 7 methods. Please let me know which one of these methods were helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if this video was helpful to you by any means, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your one like and share means a world to me, so thank you so much if you do. And if you want more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you in the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. Peace. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. In today's video, I am going to show you 7 ways to fix MacBook Not Charging problem. With these 7 methods, you can fix any kind of charging problem with your MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. Wait, what? MacBook Air? English! Come on! English is so hard. Stay in school, kids. Stay in school. Our 7th and last method is contacting Apple. If you tried all the methods shown in the video and none of them work for you, then your last option is to go to a repairing shop or contacting Apple. I recommend you to contact Apple before taking your device to a repairing shop, because most repairing shops do is they replace original parts of your iPhone or... Our 7th and last method is... What was that again? It was... yeah. English! Come on! Alright. One more time.